I'm in the Netherlands, in The Hague, and the building behind me, that is called the Peace Palace. It's one of the main organs of the United Nations. It's the main court of the United Nations, and very shortly it'll make an important decision. Now, there is a case before the court, South Africa bringing Israel to court under the Genocide Convention. This isn't going to be the end of the case. It's not going to be a ruling on whether there is genocide being committed in Gaza or not, but in many ways for the people of Gaza this is going to be more important, and that's why here we've got lots of press gathered from around the world waiting for that ruling, because this is going to be a chance for the court to decide whether to agree with South Africa's requests. South Africa is requesting the court brings what are called provisional measures, and these could include an order to immediately have a ceasefire in Gaza. Now, no one thinks that Israel, if that is what the court decides, is going to comply, but I do think it will be a legal ruling that will lead to further political and diplomatic pressure on Israel. I think it will affect the balance of countries around the world. Most already believe there should be an immediate ceasefire, but many others may amend their positions if there is a ruling in favour of South Africa in this case, and it puts great pressure on the United States. Remember, the US has used its veto 3 times in the UN Security Council to block an immediate ceasefire. If there is a ruling by the top court in the UN system calling for a ceasefire, then it's going to be very hard for President Biden. Remember, on the issue of Ukraine, he's called for the world to respect the rules-based international order. Well, there's no rule more important than a ruling from the top court in the UN system, which we're going to hear what they decide in just a matter of hours.